will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Fetch app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. In there can you looking for Fetch app, or just click here on search, then you click here, then you add here Fetch and you click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. So click here on Play Store here, then here can you looking for Fetch app. It's going to show for you like this. Here you will find updates, click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.